Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my channel, and today you will be learning how to make dahi boondi. Gradually add the water, and I will not be using any baking powder or soda. The prepared mixture in consistency should neither be too thick nor too liquidy. To check if it is whisked properly, you need to pour a few drops of the whisked mixture into water, and if this floats or comes through the top, then it means it's ready. The spices can be altered according to your choice. I always add garlic powder as it gives a very good flavor. Add a little amount of milk. I added around 1/4 cup because my yogurt is not at all sour and it is quite thick and creamy. Depending upon the quality of your yogurt, you can increase the amount of the milk. That is, like, you can add around a half cup or even more. Using the spoon with holes like the one shown in the video, you can make the boondis. Do not add a lot of boondis at the same time, as they will stick on top of one another and their shape will be distorted and they will not look so good. You can also add salt in the water if you wish to. I did not add any. 5 to 8 minutes are enough for the boondis to absorb the water. Lightly squeeze them. Make sure not to squeeze too hard as it will distort their shape.